Hey, this is Nate Moller from Web 801. In the video today, we're going to talk about how to map out an online course. 5 steps that really work. So let's get started. Why build an online course? That's a question that a lot of clients have. What are the benefits? Online courses focus on a unique problem. They help users achieve a specific result, and they require work up front, but it's not necessarily ongoing. So where do I start when I'm building an online course? Step 1 is start with the end objective. You have to ask, what do you want the user to achieve when they finish the course? What's the main problem we're solving for our clients or for the end user? Step 2, create a step-by-step outline. What does this process look like from start to finish? First step, then next step, then after that. Map it out step by step. And then write out these steps and fill in the gaps with the details. I'm going to show you a tool that I use to make this happen. One tool I use to help me map out a course is called Trello, Trello.com. Once I set up an account in Trello and it's free, I can create a new board and I can call it Creating a Course. And then I can type in simple things like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and then additional tips. Once I've mapped out week 1 through 5 or 1 through 6, I can start adding specific details. You'll see here I have why video for your website, and then I have a list of about 10 things. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this particular case. And when I click on this, then I can see in here I have specific tools and research that I'm doing to back up my points. That's how I use Trello to help map out my course. Step 3 is list different media forms to use. Sometimes when people think about creating an online course, they feel like they have to be up on stage or on the camera all the time. Here's some different options. You can use video, both screen capture or direct video with a phone or a camera. That is definitely one option. Audio. I've seen many online courses that have both audio and video, or just audio that a person can download and add to their phone as an MP3 file. You can also use worksheets and PDFs. Worksheets and PDFs are a great interactive tool which allow people to take notes, do assignments, return and report what's happened, and track their progress. Slideshows as well. As you can see in this presentation, I'm using a slideshow as a way to teach specific information. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel when you're building an online course. Just focus on solving the main problem your client's going through and give them different ways to digest the content. The goal is we want them to finish the course. So if it's boring or monotonous or the same all the time, chances are they won't finish it. Give them reason to. Step 4, review concepts with your contacts or clients or even prospects. One way you can do this is ask questions, get feedback. You can use social media, your email list, even video to ask people questions about what they want to know. Ask friends, ask employees. Anyone you can, just run by them the concepts you have in mind. Create a survey. SurveyMonkey.com is a great place. It's free, where you can create a simple survey. Maybe it's one question or maybe it's a handful of questions that give you direction on what people really want to know and what they need. Ultimately, you want to validate your ideas. If your prospect or client or friend gives you a suggestion and then you use that in your course, it's going to get greater buy-in and ownership. Step 5, track your progress. This is essential, and people may ask, well, why? Tracking helps you stay focused on what's important to reaching your goal. It helps you identify potential obstacles and strategies and how to overcome them. It can help you set more realistic goals and stay positive along the way. Here's a couple tips on tracking. It's the measurement effect. By measuring activity, you're going to see improvement. Identify problems. As you're going through your course creation, you need to know when you've stopped making progress, and tracking will help this. It also helps you figure out what went wrong and why. Next, establish a baseline. Where are you now? Where do you want to go? And what are the next right steps to get there? As my former mantra states, small success leads to big success. Finally, maintain focus. Tracking helps you prioritize and create systems. You can spend less time thinking and more time actually doing. Here's some of the tools that I use to help me track. As we've already gone over, I use Trello to help me map out things. I also use Basecamp, which is a more complex project management tool. I use Google Drive, and I use Notes. Sometimes when I have ideas, I'll get out my phone, open up Notes to just jot down ideas, or I might also use voice recording to capture ideas on the spot. Ultimately, you can do this. Many people have been where you are, and now it's time to take the next step. If you like this video, make sure to download our free worksheet. There'll be a link down below, but you can go to web801.com/start today. You'll also get a bonus by downloading this worksheet. Thanks again for your participation, and we look forward to taking the next steps with you.